So now we're just going to sew this in place. We're going to do an X stitch. It's something that you're going to do commonly. Now, there are machines that do that automatically. I do not own such a machine, so I am going to do it by hand. It's not a hard stitch to do. I might run out of memory on my camera before I finish it, but the idea is basically to sew an X, first going around the perimeter. Back down the first side. Then we match up the corners. It is kind of annoying to do this while trying to not knock over the camera, but that is just how it is.